Yeah, and Bill, while the case numbers and death toll continues to rise here at the Canterbury rehab facility, so too is that being seen across the state. And we're also now getting a broader picture of who exactly is being infected by the coronavirus. Officials at the Canterbury Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center confirmed Thursday a fourth patient, a man in his 70s, died of COVID-19, while the number of patients infected rose to 17 and healthcare workers up to 6. But Henrico County and Richmond Health Director Dr. Danny Avula says over a dozen more patients may be infected and are being isolated while awaiting testing. Avula adds the facility has been doing everything it can to deal with the issue.
And while, the facility is practicing good infection control measures, there's just there's a lot of opportunities for disease to be transmitted.
Meanwhile, for the county as a whole, Avula says Henrico has at least 33 cases, while the number in Richmond is at 18. And speaking to Central Virginia's response as a whole to the pandemic, Avula says he's been impressed by the coordination, but adds getting people to follow social distancing recommendations has been a challenge.
And this is not unique to us. This is what we're seeing around the country, but it's that younger population that wasn't really ready to stop going to bars or stop hanging out at the parks.
Meanwhile, at the state level, the number of cases rose to 460 and the number of deaths to at least 13. The state is now also breaking down the cases further by demographics, showing those that are 50 and older account for over half of the cases, but broken down by decade, the third most infected group are those in their 20s. Now looking at further breakdowns of those stats, when you look at gender, men account for over 52% of the coronavirus cases. Women are 46 rather. Meanwhile, for race breakdowns, whites with the biggest amount of cases at 26%, but 60% of the cases they have reported do not have a race attached to them. Working for you in Henrico County, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.
Thank you, Cam.